What is going on, my millionaires? I am your host, Terry Stonkers, and welcome to my channel, baby. Buy the freaking dip, and I'm going to start it out with me literally buying the dip. I went in here today, and I saw we were trading downwards a little bit. I'm not really worried about it, but what do we got to do in these opportunities, guys? You got to buy the dip. That's what I did. So I logged into my Fidelity account, and I said, you know what? Got a little extra cash hanging around. Let's pick up more of these MMAT1 options contracts. So there you can see it. I posted on Twitter account 5 hours ago. Bought the dip. Let's go. Bought those contracts. They don't expire to January 21st of 2022. We got a long way to go and let them babies just sit there and stew. So now I have a bunch more contracts of those setting. It's going to cost me $250 per each contract to exercise the contract. And as you see there, you get 50 shares of MMAT and you get 100 shares of TRCHP. So I'm buying up the options and I'll exercise them whenever I feel like it. So I got them in the account. We're good to go. Now, we got some news here to cover, and we had some great news, guys. Go in here and check this out. I just retweeted on my Twitter. Go read it. We got 2 new huge strategic acquisitions here. With the partnerships that we got. These people are going to be phenomenal. Go check it out. What I want to get into is the shorts are back. They're not letting up. And considering that, where was it at here? Oh no. Anyway, considering the shorts are back, we just kind of traded sideways today. I think we're down like 1%, 1.4%. So they tried like hell, but we're still here. Look at his ownership accumulation score. Still at 97.79. We are ranked number 97th out of over 21,740 stocks. Wait till we go here to the short interest, guys. This is going to blow your socks off. As we said in yesterday's video, I could just tell with the number of volume coming up, the shorts are not letting up. And if anything, they're like a shark preying in the water and coming in. And they're coming after us, but guess what? They're not getting us. They're not getting us. Right here, the short squeeze score is at 83.7, 83.07, ranked number 42 out of 5,355 stocks, guys. So we're down in the top 50. Updated 3 minutes ago, there is 0 shares left to borrow at this leading prime brokerage. So there's none out there to short according to that brokerage. And here is one of the most exciting parts that I like. Our short borrower fee rate is up. The last disc was updated when there was shares left to short. Any new positions lending this stock, borrowing it, shorting it, they're going to pay 20.6% fee. Yes, I love seeing that. I want them damn shorts to pay. And that's what we want to see. I mean, I was happy when we were in the 9s. But I liked it the other week when we were in the 10s and the 20s. And now we're in the 20s again. So that goes to show you, to jump up double in one day, they're loading up. They're loading up the shorts. And they really haven't dragged us down. So looking at today's FINRA volume, you can see FINRA short volume ratio is 44.7. And they did give us the combined short volume ratio for yesterday on the 20th of a 53.88. And looking at the volume and what we got, I'm going to say this is usually 3 to 5 points higher than that. So let's just call it 47, 48 short volume ratio. Let's go here and take a look at this. I went in here and did this for you guys again. I know you all love this. The short sale transactions. This is for yesterday, Monday, 9/20, $5,000 or greater to or more. Look at these numbers, guys. That's right. They are loading up. The total short sale transactions for 9/20 yesterday, 210 of them. How many shares did they short? Well, we got here, they shorted 543,499 shares, and they barely took us down. Like, I think we were down like, what, 5% yesterday, guys? 4.5%, 5%. And look at the total dollar amount of those shares shorted. $2,682,315.78. And they did that yesterday, and it took 2.6 million to get us down around 4%. So I think we know they loaded up. I did see around on the FinTech, Ortex floating around. They were up into 13 and 15% short interest today. So these numbers are going to get better every day. This is just crazy. I got the charts for you guys. You can see a couple of the big candles. This one was basically 20,000 shares. The biggest candle here that we got from one of those transactions, $23,300. The second candle here on the dollar amount, they spent $98,570 to short. And this one individual here spent a whopping $114,869. Now the average here, I'd say, is around $15,000 to $20,000 on the average short position. Let's just call it $20,000 was the average short position, I'm going to say, looking at all those right there. And of course, I want to touch base on the article that's put out today. If you don't know, Meta expands executive leadership with 2 strategic appointments. We get out here and take a look. We got Sean Kerner is going to be the Chief Intellectual Property Officer, and Mrs. Cindy Roberts, Executive Vice President of Corporate Affairs and Chief of Staff. Bringing decades of experience, these new hires will expand and strengthen Meta's executive leadership team. Dr. Kerner will provide in-house expertise and strategic direction of Meta's rapidly growing intellectual property portfolio. Mrs. Roberts will manage Meta's government and public relations and coordinate interface to the expanding organization at the executive level. And here we got some quotes. I'm thrilled to announce the return of Cindy Roberts to the team, in addition of Dr. Kerner. These executives bring deep industry experience and operational expertise in driving strategic roadmaps, developing best practices in enforcement and intellectual property, building exceptional teams and expertise with marketing communication strategy, said George Palikaris, President and CEO. So here you go. This is going to be big, guys. Make sure you go in here and read out the entire article, but I just wanted to bring it to your attention in case you was not aware of it. So let's go pull up. There we go. Here was the chart for today. I mean, as you can see, we ended at $4.87. As we know, we're down to $4.83 here in the after hours. Like I said, we ain't worried about the after hours. That's just manipulation, probably shorting and all that going on. But yeah, down 1.42% today. And I guarantee you the shorts loaded up again, because we saw there, I saw there floating around on the Ortex data that it was like 13 to 15% short interest going around. So be prepared for possible dips, because the shorts are attacking. And tomorrow is the big news of, I think, the Fed's speaking tomorrow. So if we get some good, good news, the markets could turn around. So hope you were able to take advantage of these dips, and hopefully we'll be riding the sunset, all good to go. So hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash a thumbs up. Check out the links down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.